Hey everyone, welcome to Joy Kitchen where we just enjoy food. So let's enjoy this easy, delicious, healthy chicken chop suey. Here I have some boneless, skinless chicken thighs that I've already thoroughly washed with vinegar water and cut them up into strips. To season my chicken, here I have some onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, all-purpose seasoning, as well as salt. And as usual, I list all the ingredients and measurements in the description box below. I'm also going to add a teaspoon of dark soy sauce and a bit of my blended green seasoning, and I'll link the video at the top of the screen as well as in the description box below. So I'm going to give this a good mix and set this aside for at least 30 minutes to marinate. So for my vegetables, I have my pak choi or bok choy as some people call it. I separated the green from the white part because I'll be adding them at different times during the cooking process. And here I have my carrots, bell peppers, as well as some baby corn. And for my herbs, I have some freshly minced garlic as well as some scallions that I also separated. Alright, so I don't own a wok, so I'm using the next best thing, which is the largest skillet in my kitchen, which happens to be my cast iron skillet. And to this I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Of course, you don't have to use olive oil, you can use any oil you prefer. And now that my oil has heated to my liking, I'm going to go ahead and add my chicken. And I'm going to toss that along with the white part of my scallions along with my minced garlic. At this point in time, you want to keep stirring because you don't want your garlic to burn. So I'm going to turn down my flame a bit to medium-low in order to avoid that. And I'm going to start adding my vegetables, starting with my denser vegetables first because they take a longer time to cook. So in goes my carrots. As well as the white part of my pak choi. So I'm going to turn my flame up a bit. And keep stirring. So now that I've added all my vegetables, I'm going to go ahead and pour in my sauce, which I've made off camera. However, I'll be sure to list everything in the description box below. And I've turned up my flame to high, and I'm going to cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes. And there you have it, delicious, easy and healthy chicken chop suey made with love in Joanfo Kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and make sure to subscribe so you won't miss any of my weekly uploads. I'm on the road to reaching my first 1,000 subscribers and I'd really appreciate your support. Go ahead and give this recipe a try. I guarantee you it's much better than takeout, and don't forget to tag me on Instagram at joanfo_. I'd love to see how yours turn out. You can follow me on all my socials, which are also linked in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, live life to the fullest and just enjoy food.